Hey, so TikTok is now allowing you to upload 10-minute videos. I'm going to show you how to do it, where to find this feature. They are now competing with YouTube. Can you actually record up to 10-minute videos inside the app and not just upload them? I'm going to answer that question coming up next. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I help you with YouTube and TikTok tips and tricks and tutorials. So if you want more videos like this, make sure right now you hit that subscribe button. This way you will never miss a video, and also turn on post notifications. That way you can constantly get the new content that I'm making for you. So as I get ready to open up TikTok, I'm screen recording right now. It will go to the default For You menu, or the For You page. We're going to go ahead and hit the create in the bottom. Now you will see that recently, if you have the new updated version, it says quick, and that's for you to do stories. But if you slide over, it also, for the camera mode, it says 3 minutes, 60 seconds, and 15 seconds. Go ahead and hit your gallery. I already have a video selected, 10 minutes right there. It even has a timer on it. We'll select that video right there. Hit next. I'm not going to do any text on the screen, and it allows you to go ahead and type a description. So 10-minute video, we'll put feature. Now I'm going to delete this. Obviously it's not a video that I really want to post, but just for this tutorial, and we'll hit post. But as you see, the video is uploading. That's pretty much it. Can you record a 10-minute video in the app? I don't see that it's possible right now. However, if I find something, I will let you know. But also let me know, do you have this 10-minute upload feature? If not, I would like to know in the comments below. And also, if you don't, make sure you have the most recent updated version of TikTok. All right, that way, you know, you can get all the new features. I know a lot of people are pretty upset that they don't have these options, but you know, when you go to your app store and you're looking for it to say update, sometimes it just says open. But make sure when it says open and you see the screenshots down there of the different features on the app, click on one of those pictures. And usually when you click on one of those pictures, miraculously it will say update. And you can verify that this is a new update by checking the version with the version that you have, and you will see that that is a newer version. Why this happens, I don't know. Maybe it's a glitch in the system, but let me know if that helps you out as well. All right, guys, this is pretty much it on this feature. Short and simple video. And until next time, I will see you on the next video.